So yun, this is our second lobster actually. So na-live natin kanina, we were able to finish the first one. Word of caution, hinay-hinay. There you go. This is so big. Ayan guys. Nababakabalan, welcome to Where Pampanga. Guys, for today's video, we are invited for another time dito po sa may Midori, and this is their unlimited buffet weekend sa may Toscana. This time guys, we were invited to let you know na meron po silang Southeast Asian flavors. What do they serve? Of course, yung mga Southeast Asian paborito natin. Nandiyan yung mga dim sum. Today, yung entry natin sa Philippines ay yung lechon. Unlimited lechon guys. Ready to serve? Yes. Okay, can I request? We've been here a couple of times. Natikman natin yung kanilang unlimited lobster and seafood, which is still ongoing up until now. And yun nga, in-add nila yung mga favorite nating Southeast Asian flavors. Iba-ibang mga bansa, and sabi ko nga kanina, entry natin for the Philippines, lechon. So ayun guys, parang sobrahan tayo sa lobster.
Nahuli din namin.
So naghanap kami ng pineapple juice. Unfortunately, walang juice, but there is pineapple fruit. So ito yung pampababa natin. Am I palpitating? Umi-score ka pa.
Ano?
Parang umi-score ka pa ng mga lobster.
Hanap pa rin ako ng pineapple.
Pineapple juice. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Congratulations Midori for another set of meals that Pampanga can enjoy. So congratulations po. This is flavors of Southeast Asia plus unlimited lobster and seafood. Thanks so much for watching. What is up?
Kumusta?
Maya po, Maya po. Hello. Abeda kayo vlog, okay lang? Kapampangan, Kapampangan. 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 Nanong ating kakasal?
Kasal ako bukas. Ihabalaki ako bukas.
Hello.
Chapters. Parang chapters.
Ano po?
Chapters.
Chapters ing Lagyo.
Ito. Tayo.
Band. Alright, alright. Alright. Enjoy your day tomorrow. We welcome na kita. Welcome to the Tide World. Yeah, Tide World. Hey. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Bye!